I've attended some of Charles's seminars, and what I think of his seminars is that he's providing information that somebody that wants to improve their business, not only monetarily, but characteristically, can really do something with the information that he provides. And so for him to actually provide that information during a seminar that may not cost money, it is priceless. I got into the pull route business because I spent a lot of time analyzing business, and I have a business education, an accounting background, and so I knew how to analyze profit, and the pull business seemed like it had the most return on investment. Having my business background and my accounting background, I read everything and I saw everything and asked all the questions I needed to ask, and I felt very secure purchasing my route, and I knew that my accounts were guaranteed for 90 days as long as it was, everything was followed, through the escrow, and I understood it, so it worked out great. I chose National Pull Route Sales to purchase my route because they had a program to me that seemed very interesting that could really help me out and improve the business. So yeah, when I purchased my route through National Pull Route Sales, I was provided with a consulting video package, and I've watched all the videos in the package, and I learned so much from that, and it made so much sense to me that it just changed the way that I think about my business and the way that I do what I do. At this point, it has helped me increase my profits, and it's helped me build my confidence to the point where I really enjoy my business. I would recommend National Pull Route Sales if somebody's thinking about entering into the pull route business, and for the one reason is that you have all the support in the world if you're willing to use National Pull Route Sales for that support.